Okay, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you people how to use Canva.com to create simple designs for maybe your Instagram posts or an advertising video or your Facebook story or even to create a logo. So for us to start, please click the subscribe button and also don't forget to share the link of this video to your friends who may be interested in using any of this tool. So let's get started. You come to canva.com and you click on create a design. Then you'll be asked whether an invitation, presentation, a poster, Instagram post, video, and the rest of them. So actually what I want to do is to create a logo. So let me say I want to create a logo now. Yes, this blank space appears here, and you can choose from any templates here. Though I'm using the free version of the Canva.com design templates, so I might choose anyone that is free here, and I can start editing. So let me say I'm into sports, and I choose this by a single click, and boom, you see your you've already started editing. So if you have any other thing you want to do to remove this, you can just click delete on your or backspace on your keyboard to edit it. And if you want to animate, you can also do that. When you're done, you can click download button and the download options will come. Suggested PNG file and the rest of them. Then you click download and everything is done. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest videos. Thank you.